Okay, let's look at factor and remainder theorem, question 1, okay, and polynomials, of course. Okay, it's given that fx equals to x cubed plus ax squared minus 3x plus b, where a and b are constant, has a factor of x plus 2, and b is a remainder of 30 when divided by x minus 3. Find the values of a and b. Okay, so if fx, okay, is equals to x cubed plus ax squared minus 3x plus b, okay, has a factor of x plus 2 means that it can divide by x plus 2 entirely. So in factor and remainder theorem, you know that if we sub into negative 2, okay, into the expression is going to give us equals to 0. Okay, so negative 2 cube plus a negative 2 square minus 3 negative 2 plus b must be equals to 0. So negative 8 plus 4a plus 6 plus b equals to 0. 4a plus b is equals to 2, right? Okay, equation number 1. Okay, so you realize that this sort of question always leads to simultaneous equation because there's two unknowns down here. Okay, now leaves a remainder of 30 when divided by x minus 3, meaning f3 equals to 30. Okay, so 3 cubed plus a 3 squared minus 3 plus b equals to 30. Okay, so 27 plus 9a minus 9 plus b is equals to 30. Okay, so 3, 12, right? 9a plus b equals to 12. That's equation 2. Okay, so we can take equation 2 minus equation 1. So that will be 9a plus b minus into 4a plus b. Okay, that will be equals to 12 minus 2. Okay, so if you distribute the negative sign, so that will give me 5a. Okay, b will cancel off, plus b minus b, right? Equals to 12 minus 2 is 10. So a equals to 2. Okay, so if a equals to 2, 4 times 2 plus b is equals to 2. So b equals to negative 6. Okay, so that is done. All right, so first part is done. Okay, I use a little bit more space, so let me downsize it. Okay, so that is part A. Now, part B, they says that use the values of a and b, factorize fx. So fx is now rewritten as x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 6, right? Minus 6. Okay, so now we'll have to key into calculator to find out what are the factors, okay, that we have, okay, for fx. Now, then you'll notice that they said something like leave your factorize, okay, completely into 3 linear factors using certs where necessary, right? So if they add a statement like this, it is more likely than not it's going to be in there are some what's that called, certs in our answer. Okay, so that's fine, right? If you get certs in our answer. Okay, so hold on, let me just key in into my calculator. 1. Okay, so a, okay, key into our calculator. A equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals negative 3, d equals negative 6, right? Must choose a cubic formula. Okay, 1, 2, negative 3 and negative 6. Okay, so I'll get okay, so I'll get x plus 2. Okay, right, so our, okay, I check my calculator. Okay, my calculator shows me one whole roots, right, whole integer roots, which is negative 2. X equals negative 2. So that means x plus 2, it must be a factor. So I say f negative 2 is equals to, so I can add in a statement by inspection. By inspection, okay, f negative 2 is equals to negative 2 cubed plus 2 negative 2 squared minus 3 negative 2 minus 6. Okay, and since it has been verified by calculator, this one is definitely equals to 0. Okay, so therefore we can conclude that x plus 2 is a factor. All right. So then what can we do down here? Now you realize that when you key calculator, the other two roots are in decimal points. Okay, so that means that, okay, but they want me to express into surd form. So I should be able to do that. So now what do we have to do? Okay, this one we have no choice but to do long division. Okay, I'm going to divide by x plus 2. Okay, so okay, you can do syntactic division if you know how to as well. So x squared to x cubed plus 2x squared, because that's a nice number. So minus of this whole thing will be 0. So we'll bring down negative 3x. Okay, at the same time, we'll bring down minus 6. So that is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3x minus 6, just nice. Okay, equals to 0. Okay, so now we know that fx is equals to x plus 2 with x squared minus 3 inside it. So since we want to factorize x squared minus 3, we have to use the idea of a squared minus b squared. Since they said that it's okay to use surds where necessary, right? So that means this will be x plus 2, x minus root 3, x plus root 3. Answer. Okay.